Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring. Run Lighthouse and a field RUM tool to get a CLS baseline and capture visual evidence. Focus on pages with the highest shifts. Note exact shift scores, affected elements, and the viewport sizes where shifts occur. While recording, save network waterfall and screenshots or video so you can replay the visual instability. Once done, prioritize pages by impact and frequency, and make a short, actionable list of top 3 shift-causing elements to fix first. You now fix the middle. Reserve space proactively. Add width/height attributes or CSS aspect ratio to images and video containers so the browser can allocate layout space before resources load. Make sure ads and third-party embeds have fixed containers and fallback dimensions. Lazy load only below the fold content to avoid late shifts. Also manage web fonts with font display or swap strategies to prevent foit/faut causing shifts. As you implement, test iteratively and rerun your lab tests to confirm reductions. You finish by hardening and monitoring. Replace layout-changing animations with transform and opacity so motion does not trigger reflow, and test interactions across devices. Deploy changes behind a feature flag, then monitor via RUM and scheduled synthetic tests to catch regressions quickly. If unexpected shifts remain, isolate causes by temporarily disabling third-party scripts or add slots and retesting. This helps pinpoint external injection or late DOM mutations. Make sure to iterate. Small, measured rollouts reduce risk and confirm stable CLS improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.